Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop other people from finding you on Facebook. If you want to hide yourself from other people on your Facebook page, then here are the process. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose settings and privacy. Click on it. Again choose settings or privacy center. Click on privacy center. Here scroll down and look for the option at the bottom of the page. Looking for more privacy settings, choose Facebook. Here how people can find and contact you page. Your friends who can send you friend requests. Here choose one by one who can send you friend request. Choose either friends of friends or everyone. Choose friends of friends to hide yourself from other people other than your friends and click on save. Who can see your friend list? Here choose public, only you. If you choose only me, then only you can see your friend request, friend list. Click on save. Some other option also available here. Choose as per your choice to restrict other people from seeing your friend list. Some other option also available. Who can Facebook suggest your profile? People with your email address or no one. Make the check against option no one. Your profile would not be suggested to people based on your email address. Click on save. People with your phone number, click on it and choose no one. Click on save. By applying these methods, your profile will say privately, do you want to search engine outside Facebook to link to your profile? Turn the toggle button off to disable this feature. For friends of friends on Facebook deliver request to, choose for friends of friends on Facebook deliver request to chats, messages, don't receive requested. Select don't receive requests and choose save. So all your privacy settings will available here and you can choose as per your choice. Don't receive requests, click on save, and some other function also available in this page, how people can find and contact you.